This large oval medallion was awarded by the Prince of Wales when he visited India between 1875 and 1876. So this makes the specimen we have on hand around 143 years old. Due to all the scratches and dents, you can't really tell, but if you look at the medallion under a loop, it would seem as though the embossed details such as the laurel wreath, the bust of the Prince of Wales, and all the inscriptions might have been treated with a matte finish, while the rest of the surfaces were treated in a mirror finish. We're using a handheld buffing tool to remove the scratches and dents on the surface. The rotary wheel we are using is made from felt and the soft muslin. We applied a very light abrasive to this wheel and we're just moving it across the surface with paying careful attention not to touch the embossed details so as to maintain the matte finishing. As the wheel moves across the surface, you also see a lot of the discoloration due to oxidation removed. For the sides, because the working surface is a lot narrower, we had to improvise a bit and switch out the rotary wheel with a small Q-tip, and again moving it across the surface to remove the scratches. The final medal looks really good after the restoration work. Many of the scratches and dents are no longer visible, and the beautiful gold color of the original medallion is brought back.